What's up, y'all? It's your boy SolarVolar here, back again with another video. I'm finally uploading again on this channel after taking this hiatus like I always do. But you know, we gotta get back into the swing of things after taking these breaks. But I'm telling you, this break that I took is gonna be so worth the wait because I have huge major projects coming up, because I've been involved with other channels and also I've been involved with my own projects. So if you haven't been updated or haven't noticed anything, you might have seen it in the community post, but I got like an upcoming show in July. So if any of you guys haven't bought tickets to that yet and you want to come see me, go ahead and hit that link in the description below, or if it's not in the description below, go ahead and go to my Instagram, which is in the link in the description below, and it'll be in my bio on my Instagram. So I'll make sure I have that link to the show there if you guys want to come see me. Anyways, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this reaction video. But today I've been requested to react to this, where we're finally able to get into this reaction. So thank you guys for the patience. And today we're gonna be reacting to Bruno Mars Anderson Paak Silk Sonic Loves Train Kong Funk Shun cover. Like Kong Funk Shun, like it almost sounds like, you know. But anyways, the official audio, and this came out on Valentine's Day, it looked like, as well. So I'm reacting to this a little late, but better late than never, now than later. You know what I mean, you get the gist of it. But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure please smash that like button, also subscribe. People, I gotta tell you guys that every single month good time, and once we reach 10,000 subscribers, I will be doing a bigger giveaway than the first one previously. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and first put on the headphones and get this reaction video started in a 3, in a 2, in a 1, and biggity bah. Oh, hold up, start that over. It played a little bit and I forgot to restart it. Here we go. Come on.
1, 2.
Hold up. Right off the bat though, you got just a smooth vibe to it. Just a smooth vibe to it. Alright. Okay. Let's go. Hey. Okay, long night, can't sleep, too hurt, too weak. All right, come on now, come on now.
Dial that number, no one answers till it's 2 o'clock.
Ooh, till it's 2 o'clock, not 1. Okay, he hit them notes. He hit them notes. He hit them notes, bro. Come on now. You can't stop this. You can't stop this. Hold up. Hold up. Sugar, honey. I like that double entendre there. Okay, let's keep it going.
I'm calling, I'm free.
just love that. Just that part. It's just like it's riding. Boom, and then just cruising again. I'm just come on now. You can't stop these two. Ooh, he hit that. He hit that. Hold up, this flow just makes me want to do this. Here we go, hold up. Let me reload the thing. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Hold up, right here. Hold up. You ready? Hey. Choo. Hey. Hey. Like, come on now. It just makes you want to just get up and just, with the shades on. Come on. Look, they got shades on too, though. So I have to twin with them. Or triplet with them. Well, you know what I mean. Ring-a-lang. No one answers till it's 2 o'clock now. Don't forget that. I just love that part so much. See you. Well, I ain't gonna do it because I can't sing. I only rap. I mean, that's up to you. That's your judgment. If I can sing, I can, but I don't think I can personally. But you're your own worst critic. Jazz hands. Hello? My dude hit that note, bro. Come on now. Come on. Keep it going. I gotta rock out with the shades for the rest of this video. Come on. Hey. Hey. Let's go. Come on. Hold on. That was it. Oh, yo. I could have kept on going with that. I was vibing with that. Yo, drop the headphones on, my man. You can't stop this duo with Silk Anderson. Bruno Mars, Anderson Paak. That's what I meant completely. That's totally what I meant. But anyways, this was a vibe, y'all. This is a vibe, and just every song they do is just phenomenal. You can't like lie. This is just so smooth, like always. That's why there's Silk Sonic, because you know Silk is smooth, Sonic is fast. They're on a love's train. That was terrible. Let me go ahead and end this video before I get too out of hand with these puns. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you definitely smash that like button. Also subscribe if you're live. I gotta tell you guys that every single month in time. And also, once we reach 10,000 subscribers, I will be doing a bigger giveaway than the first one. Anyways, thank you guys for sticking around with this channel. And we're gonna keep on continuing the grind of these videos very, very soon. So we got more content, y'all. We got way more content. And the content on this channel is going to be way different, and you'll find out in July. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But we're still going to be doing reactions and, of course, like occasional gaming videos. But, yo, just you wait. I'm just so hyped for this. Like, I want you guys to be as hype as well. Hit that like button if you're hyped, and let's get this video to exceed 10 likes. And, yeah, anyways, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and stop my rambling, and we're going to see what's to come for the future of this channel. Just you wait. I know I keep repeating myself, but anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. And I will see y'all next time for whatever we got next time. Hope y'all take care, take it easy, and Volar out.